Hey, hello everybody. This is what it's all about. I am heading out to the beach here. I'm right at, woo! Beautiful. Beautiful. So I'm heading out to the beach here. Right at 6th Avenue North in North Myrtle Beach. Somebody's been feeding the seagulls. I think that gentleman down there. So it's absolutely beautiful. You know, I don't have to say that. It's obvious. So that down there is the Ocean Drive section. We're looking at the first mid-rise complex that you see is Maritime. And then that's the Vista Resort right there. First high-rise complex coming from Tillman Beach. So it's been a while since I've come down here for a beach walk. I posted a video of it. I've been doing beach walks. I do them regularly, but I haven't posted a video. So I thought that this would be a perfect time to do that. But as you watch my other videos, this is the Tillman section. Highly desired part of the beach where no mid-rises, from low rises all the way up, of course, high rises are allowed. So just these beautiful multi-million-dollar homes. So the tide is out right now, and guess what? North Myrtle Beach is touted as the widest beach in the world. So I don't know who came up with that, but it's been posted social media and you can find that, but it is definitely a very wide beach, which is just wonderful. So even when the tide is in, it's still a wide beach. So the sun is setting. It's absolutely gorgeous here. Gentleman down there, he's searching for some coins, gold, jewelry, whatever he can find with his metal detector. So they're doing some renovations down there. The city is. They're actually extending a water runoff far out off the coast. And then, of course, I don't know if you can see it in the video, but we have the Cherry Grove Pier down there, and they're starting to repair that. And so that should be all set and ready to go when all the tourists arrive in the springtime. Hey everybody, so hope y'all doing well. Hope y'all having a great weekend. I just wanted to go ahead and show you this here. I'm heading out for a nice beach walk, and it's absolutely stunning. So I just wanted to again let you all enjoy this, and hopefully you'll be able to come down and visit this year if you don't live here. And it's always a great time here in North Myrtle Beach. So take care until next time.